vacation, I thought what could be more perfect than to kick it off with a ride on the Carousel. The first ride that made Walt Disney dream of a park where kids and parents could ride rides together and spend time. I gotta tell you, it's always a special treat to ride the Carousel here in Fantasyland. It's usually walk right up and then you get to look around and enjoy all the sights here at Fantasyland. I'm actually here in the morning, which I'm never here during the day, so this is a special treat for me. Usually I'm watching all the lights twinkle, but now I'm like seeing sunshine and shade. Like, it's really cool. Definitely want to check this out. You can see lots of little ones riding, adults, friends. Like, it's just a really fun little ride, a great way to start the day. It's a quick win if you're bringing kids to Disneyland and they're super excited about getting on their first ride. The carousel is usually like less than 5 minutes, so rather than go and wait in one of these long lines, say hi to Captain Hook there. Rather than wait in one of the long lines where the kids are like, you told me we were going to Disneyland, you hop on over, get on the carousel, get a quick win, and then be like, wasn't that so fun? Let's ride another ride, and then you get into line for one of the rides. Oh, that's a great selfie. And you never know who you're gonna meet here at Fantasyland too, which is always exciting. You get a good mix of villains and heroes and all your favorite Fantasyland characters. And just like that, your magical ride is